Okay, so your problem reads that molasses has a bulk flow rate of 3 cubic centimeters per minute. I've totally made that up, of course. What is the bulk rate, flow rate, in meters cubed per second, per hour? So what is it in meters cubed per second? So we have to do a unit conversion. So this is your concept, unit conversions. Period. All right. So how do we start a unit conversion? Well, we're going to start with what we have. So we have 3 cubic centimeters per minute. All right, so I need cubic meters on the top. So I'm going to work with getting my cubic meters on the top. So I know that in 1 meter, I have 100 centimeters. Well, that takes care of one of my centimeters. I need to take care of all 3 in 1 meter. I have 100 centimeters. That takes care of 2. And in 1 meter, I have 100 centimeters. So that takes care of my 1, 2, 3 centimeters, 1, 2, 3 centimeters. And I'll end with meter, meter, meter. So I'll end with my meter cubed. Good. Now I need seconds on the bottom. I have minutes on the bottom. All right, well, my minutes is going to show up on the top so that my minutes will cancel with my minute. And in 1 minute, I know there are 60 seconds. So I have seconds on the bottom. So let me grab my calculator. Now that I have gotten all of my units in the appropriate spot, I can do the math. So 3 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 3 cubic meters. 100 times 100 times 100 times 60. 100 times 100 times 100 times 60 is 6 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. And reducing that, I end up with 5 times 10 to the minus 8 cubic meters per second. All right, so just keeping in mind, if I have something multiplied by 3 in my units, I have to do that each time so that I get the equivalent cubic unit in my solution. All right, so unit conversions. Good job.